Hey guys, Dan Scheidegger here with Kriete Truck Center Madison, back with another 2025 all-new Volvo VNL64T860. This truck has our Edge interior and exterior package. This truck is equipped with Volvo's iTorque powertrain, D13 engine, 455 horsepower, 1850 torque, 13-speed Volvo I-Shift transmission, full collision mitigation, 16-inch air slide fifth wheel. This truck has dynamic steering with personal settings, factory bunk heater, inverter, and parking cooler. It is also equipped with Volvo's auto start stop technology. If you want more information, please visit our website or give me a call at 262-888-0653.